Hi guys, welcome. So today I got some nice devices that I want to show you. So let's just unbox it, then we set it up, and then we see what next. All right. Woo! you guess what's inside, right? It's a small box. It was delivered by Amazon today. So you know I'm the Apple guy, so you gotta be some Apple device. I don't have my knife, so we will do with this. Come on, guys, get open and so exciting to unbox stuff. Okay, so all of this to reveal a small device. So what they've done is there's a plastic holding in the packaging. So I'm going to just push it out. It's free now. Do you see what it is? Do you see it? Yes. The famous Apple Airtags. It's a 4-pack. I got it customized. So there are a few names on it, and yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, so for some reason the AirTags are already appearing even though they're in the box. So does that mean that I can go to an Apple store and start registering AirTags to my phone even though they don't belong to me? And then what's going to happen, especially if it's connected to my iCloud already, and I did find mine. Yeah, so there's this nice single thing here to open it. Alright, so that's it, right? Should be able to pry it out. Okay. Well, I don't know about the unboxing experience of the AirTags. It's a bit different. It's not that simple, that smooth Apple way of doing things, where everything have a purpose, where things just fall in together. I'm not getting that. That's my problem. Okay, I have regulatory compliance information, safety and handling. Straight up link. Oh, it opens up as a book. And you see the back of them. It's kind of like what they use for the cable of the Apple Watch. So we'll update to the latest iOS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull the tab when ready to use, hold near device and follow on-screen instruction. So basically it seems there is something protecting the battery of the AirTag. So it shouldn't have been detected. I'm removing all of them. I did some beautiful craft. So Apple allows you to actually write names or words. You have just up to 4 characters, and those characters can be emojis. You can put 4 emojis, or you can put characters mixed with emojis. Anything you want, but not all the emojis are supported. So okay, so I'm going to start. There are 4 of them. I start by pulling this one out. This is K. So I believe this should not have worked until I do this. Oh, it actually came out. Did you hear the sound? Oh, that's a nice sound. Connect. Name AirTag. Alright, so I'm going to call it I don't know, AirTag. I'm going to call it K. Just the same way. It's just exactly as it's written on it, because I'm not 100% sure I have the right AirTag connected. So what should I put? It's well, come on. It's this guy. Yeah. Choose an emoji, select an emoji to represent this AirTag. Well, I guess that's what will be appearing most of the time. Okay guys, I think I lost my camera connecting. Today I'm shooting almost alone, so well, yeah. So it gets to this point: precision finding, play sound, notify when left behind. So that's it. Done. Basically, I'm done setting up this guy. The other ones are popping up. I'm not even 100% sure I have the right. I named the right airport with the name. Let's go quickly to the next one. Alright guys, so basically there was a big mess. The first one we recorded wasn't the right one. So like I said, I think there was a problem with the plastic, so the AirTags were popping up, even though one was popping up, even though it wasn't the right one, and I hadn't removed the plastic. So this is what I did. I just took my time and then I renamed everything properly, so you can see that everything has a beautiful name. I just want to test it real quick. Let's see if we can find something. So I'm going to just pick one of them that I know where it is, and then I'm going to make it ring and see if you can even hear it from there. All right, playing the sound. So the AirPod is playing the sound. It's okay. It's a piercing sound, so I'm able to hear it. Now I'm going to try and find it. So 1.2 meters, 1.3 meters. Yes, and found. And as I'm getting closer, I can exactly pinpoint where the airport is. So I have it's saying here, and the airport is exactly where it is. The AirTag, I don't know what I'm calling it. So that's it. So that one was good. I'm going to move to the next one. I don't know if I can see what's on it. Okay, yeah. So that one is a little further. Find it. Connected. Okay. So yeah, it's telling me where to go, and I'm able to walk towards it. Yeah, but it's not that exact. When you are within 1 meter of the device, it's not able to tell you the direction. But yeah, I got this one too. So second one is out. All right. I'm going to try and play now. This one's a little more difficult to find. Let's try this one. I'll play this one. Already, if I just want to use the sound, yeah, I know where they are, but the sound is not enough. I'm not able to use the sound to find it because the sound is a little piercing. I think it's bouncing off a lot, so I can't find it. Let's use the find. Okay, AirPods, trying to find you. Okay, it doesn't give you the direction until you are closer. So I have to walk in this direction. So I got, oh yeah, so this was good. They found it. And you're able to tell me where to go. So which one is this? It says I'm ahead, 1 meter ahead. Okay, so yeah. So basically this means that this airport is probably under something here. So you would have to really move your phone around and get it. All right, so I got it. So the sound was playing, but I couldn't hear it. I wasn't sure whether it was there. It was that one that was playing. Yeah, I found it. Last AirTag, right? Which one is that? Ah, that's me. Okay, play the sound. Yeah, this one, the sound is completely muffled. You're gonna see why. I barely can hear it, so I know it's around, but I'll have to create a big mess to find it. So I'm just going to use the find again. I'm within 1 meter, so we found it nearby. It's not so accurate. It tells me it's not here. It tells me it's very close to this place. I'm going to drop the phone, and it tells me it's very close to this place. But it's definitely not here. So, okay, it says it's here, and it's true. It's actually here. So yeah, I think that worked. Yeah, I'm gonna have to maybe do something more complex, but for now, that's it. So I was able to test the AirTags a bit in the city, and what I realized is that it doesn't work when there's no internet. I don't have internet here all the time, so when there's no internet, I'm not able to really get the location of my AirTag. The one that's very close, you're able to see it. I think because Bluetooth is able to connect, but the one that are supposed to piggyback, it doesn't happen when the device that is searching is not connected to the internet. Alright, let's keep enjoying the AirTag. Alright guys, so I kept testing the device, and the AirTag, I don't know. One thing I can say is that you can't really find it if you're an Android user and someone's spying on you. So it's a problem. I don't know how it's trying to fix it. Maybe you should have a dedicated app, because I feel like having it on the Find My app is a problem, because then you can really easily just log into somebody's phone. You have to go to Safari to find it. The other problem I found as well is the sound is not loud enough. If I lose something here, I can find it by sound, but obviously I'll be able to direct it to it. So far that's my testing, and if there's any other thing, I'll let you know. Guys, that's it for this video. I tried my best to get you the best out of Apple AirTag. I have 4 AirTags that I'm going to test, and hopefully I enjoy them. Apple AirTag compared to towels. Apple has a lot of devices circulating around, so the AirTag become very easy to find an AirTag because they're able to bounce off every Apple device, an iPhone, an iPad, a MacBook. So you're able to find it no matter where it is. People are able to find them even in planes where they shouldn't have found them. So compared to towel, I live in Africa, I live in Ghana. There is no towels in Ghana, maybe a few. So it's very difficult to find something that has a towel hooked onto it. So yeah, let me go and find something to put these babies in. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this new format, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when we release a new one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.